Hey, welcome my scrapping friends. Today I'm doing an album share with you guys. So welcome to Scrapping It Up. I am Vanessa and I have this album that I made, and I used the Simple Stories Sunshine and Blue Skies collection. And I do have some kits available on my website if you would like to purchase a kit. I'll put the link down below. But yeah, go check it out, guys. So I come up with this album. It's Sunshine and Fun mini album. Okay, and it measures 8.5 by 9.5. Okay, and I do have the tutorial for you to purchase on my website. And just a little hint, I have all my tutorials 50% off, guys. Every one of my tutorials on my website right now is 50% off. I don't know how long it's going to last, but just a little heads up, guys, okay? 50% off all my tutorials on my website. So go check it out, guys. I'll put the link down below to where you can go check it out and hopefully grab you a couple of them, okay? All right. So, and this album does have a 2.25 inch, 2.25 inch spine. There's the front. And this paper was, I mean, if you like a good challenge, this collection will give it to you. This really challenged me. I've never had a paper collection that was tough to work with, and this one was a little tough to work with. I mean, it was a challenge for me. So if you like a challenge, this is a paper for you. But it was still fun. It was still fun. And I did do classes on this over on my Facebook page. We decorated it from start to finish. We didn't construct it on Facebook, but we decorated it together. So if you want to go check that out, I'll put that link down below too. So this has 4 pages, and all 4 pages is the same. And like I said, this is the Sunshine and Fun mini album. Okay, so we have a pocket right here, and I just done up, and of course, you know, I never put nothing on the back. I want to save that for photos. So I made those, and they just fit right here in this pocket. And then we have a flap here. It kind of, you know, keeps everything kind of tidy. Summer is a state of mind. Love it. And I use the white cardstock for photo mats, or you journal on them. It doesn't mean you have to have a photograph there, okay? Because I think it is very important to journal in our albums, because we need to tell the story. And that's, you know, because we always won't be around to tell the story. And, you know, they need to know why you were bent over laughing because Charlie kicked you. You know, they need to know the story. Not just the pictures, but the story. And never worry about your handwriting when you're journaling, because they're not going to care. They're going to see the beautiful photos and the memories, and it will be A-OK. So don't ever worry about your handwriting, okay? And if you know you worry too much about your handwriting, you can type it up and then put it in here, okay? So this is a little belly band right here. And actually, I mean, this turned out really, really cute. And I first started working on this, I'm like, oh my gosh, what did I get myself into? So we have a pocket here. These pull out. Again, you know, I leave the backs blank. That pulls up, and then this flips open. So then when that closes, these here keep that all nice and tidy. Now it does have pockets here, but I'm going to glue mine shut, okay? I'm not going to use those pockets in this album, so I need to get those glued. So then this flips. I mean, very cute. And anybody knows me, I do not care for yellow. I thought, you know, The yellow is what was throwing me off on this, and which it could have been. I'm not a big fan of yellow. I will shy away from yellow anytime, but this collection seemed to have a lot of yellow. So again, photo mats, and I just used the white cardstock and a few of the stickers from the collection and decorated them. So then that comes up, and then that opens. And then these just slide right back in the pocket, just like that. Again, more yellow. Oh, shoot. Yeah, I don't know if it was the yellow or not. That's what I blame it on. Then this opens up. Oops, let me move that out of the way. And then that. So, I mean, if you want to go pick this up, go to my website and pick it up. My tutorials include the cutting guide, written guide, and process videos of the construction of the album. I show you step by step how to construct an album. And remember, I do have them all 50% off right now. Can't beat it. Can't beat it, because I want to help you guys get your Christmas groove on, because Christmas is going to be here before we know it. And I know you guys all have projects that you would like to complete for Christmas or make for that special loved one. So yep, I'm going to help you guys out. Look at that. And then I have this sweet little booklet that I made, and I just made one of them. You could make two of them and to put in the front one, but I didn't. I just done one, and then I put tags in the front. Okay, but I do show you how to make this booklet. So let me show this little booklet. So you open it, you have some photo mats here, and I love that little Volkswagen van. Oh my gosh, that brings back memories. Does that bring back any memories for anybody else? I'm telling my age. Sorry. So then you have a flap that opens up, and I left this for journaling. Okay, and these, when they're tucked in here, they hold that flap. Then you flip it over to the back side, and guess what? We have some pockets. So you have two pockets, and I just threw in a couple of cards. And then that just slides right in that pocket, just like that. So let me know what you guys think about this album. If you happen to have any questions, I will put the links down below. Give me thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so you never miss out on any of my things. Something else I'm coming out with is a new recipe folio that I taught you guys how to do it a couple of years ago. And this one's going to be bigger and better, and I will be teaching you from start to finish right here on YouTube. Yes, you guys, I will be teaching you. So if you have any questions or anything, I will be releasing information. Get signed up on my email, because I will be releasing the information through my email. So get hooked up to my list so you never miss out. Okay, guys? All right. As always, keep scrapping. Bye-bye.